Hello viewers and welcome to a new STM32 World video, which will be a quick update on our challenge. Now, about 2 weeks ago, we announced the STM32 Bare Metal Challenge, where the challenge was very simple: make the smallest binary which will visibly blink a LED on an STM32 F4. Now, there has been quite a number of submissions to this challenge, and to be fair, I think the first place is not going to change. So at the moment, we are down at 26 byte. So in 26 byte complete binary, can flash it on a STM32. In fact, let's try to flash this there. And let me see if I can get that video up here. Now, it does in fact blink. It just blinks quite slowly. I don't know, about 5 seconds between each flash, which is okay according to the rules. The rules only stated that it had to visibly blink the LED. So 26 byte at the moment. I don't know if that can be beaten. 24 would be the next step down, but I would love to see, and I know the guy that submitted the 26 byte version would love to see one doing 24. I don't know if it's possible, but there's quite a big distance down to third place. I think third place at the moment is roughly about 8 byte. So in short, you still got a week. The challenge is running the entirety of February, so you still have a week to post the challenge. A binary that is smaller, and you stand to win a prize. So let me just briefly go to the prizes. The first place will get a complete set of our Streamline boards. So there will be a backplane, and there will be a programmer, and there will be an MCU board. This will be the first prize. We will ship it anywhere in the world at our cost. So you still got a chance. If you can beat 26 byte, you will win that one. Second place and third place will be our .connect programmer, which is a neat little SVD programmer, so it can be configured to work as an ST-Link. It can also work as an a DAP link, or it can work as a black magic, so it can pretty much flash any ARM processor, including Raspberry Pi RP23. So, I mean, go ahead and you can still win one of these, and it's an excellent little programmer that you should, by the way, if you don't intend to participate in the challenge. I will link our web shop down below where you can go and buy these, and it greatly helps our channel. But I hope there will be a couple of extra submissions to the challenge. It is quite an exciting way to challenge yourself, even if you're not going to win. It is quite interesting. So there you go. Have a wonderful weekend where hopefully you will work with this challenge.